Laboratory coin cell electric crimping machine. 1. Prepare coin cell to be crimped. 20 mm diameter, 1.6 mm, 2.5 mm, 3.2 mm in height, etc. 2. Turn on the power supply. Three. Prepare the sealing mold. 4. The mold is placed in the hole of the lower mold cavity. 5. Turn on the power switch on the device panel, and manually adjust the digital display pressure according to the battery model, thickness. Note: if the battery type is thick, the pressure needs to be turned up slightly, while the battery type is thin, and the pressure needs to be reduced slightly. After adjusting the pressure, reset to 0 state. 6. Take the button battery to be sealed, and put it into the lower mold position. Note: the negative pole is facing up. 7. Press the green start switch on the equipment panel. The lower die will rise at a uniform speed as a whole, and the lower die will be embedded in the upper die to complete the sealing operation. The lower die will automatically drop to the origin at a uniform speed. Eight. Manually press down the outer ring of the lower die head, and take out the sealed battery.
Thank you for watching. Need assistance or purchase? You can contact us through the page information. Wish you a happy life.